feeling mighty fine. I got health, weight loss, and a bikini body on my mind. That was so corny. Day 15, y'all. Halfway through. I'm so excited. It's 3:30 right now and I'm breaking my fast with this bomb juice, y'all. In here is three cups of red seedless grapes, and then the juice of 1 whole lime and just a little bit of ice. If you guys make this, go kind of light on the ice because it'll turn it into like a slushy consistency, unless that's what you want to go for. I know last summer I used to have these all the time as the slushy. I would add a bunch of ice and stuff like that. But anyway, this is so good. It's like a sweet slash like a sweet lemony, well, limey. I don't know, y'all just have to try it and then let me know how y'all like it if y'all try it in the comments below. It's good for kids too. My kids love this. But yeah, you guys, I'm just now breaking my fast. I had a bomb workout today. I did hit today. I just feel real good today. Today is a good day. No temptations yet today. I'm actually about to snack on some dose too because I want something a little bit salty after this. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day thus far. Successful as far as working out, eating healthy, eating right, and all of that good stuff, okay? I'm super excited about dinner tonight. Y'all, I'm feeling like creative. I was thinking today and I wrote some stuff down, just some recipes that I want to try and stuff like that. I want to get real creative with this, especially if I'm thinking about doing it, you know, through the summer and stuff like that, and having just a few cooked meals and stuff. So I have to get creative. I have to have good meals, y'all. Y'all know I love my savory meals. But it's Taco Tuesday for y'all when y'all watching this. Today is Monday for me, but I'm putting this out on Taco Tuesday. I did that on purpose, okay? You catch my drift? No, I'm just playing. But yeah, so I'm gonna make some raw vegan tacos tonight. I'm gonna taste them in front of y'all, let y'all know how they taste. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all because y'all know that's what I do. Keep it real, okay? But yeah, I'm super excited to try it. I got y'all in my pepper drawer in my refrigerator. This is sick, y'all. This is typically how many peppers I would eat throughout a whole week. My food is not complete without it being somewhat spicy. I have to have it in all my sauces, all of my everything, y'all. But if you've been watching me for a while, you know how much I love peppers, spice, and all of that. But I just thought this was funny when I opened it up and wanted to show y'all. I'm getting ready to make my dinner, and the first thing I'm going to be preparing is some salsa, and I'm going to be using 2 tomatoes, half of a lime, jalapeno because I love everything spicy, some cilantro, purple onion, and also some pink Himalayan sea salt to taste, or you can just use any type of salt that you want that's your favorite. And I'm putting it all into my food processor to make it easier and just give it a quick whisk, and it'll turn into salsa. Wow, magic. Next, I'm going to be making the filling for the tacos, and I'm going to use half of that thing of bella mushrooms that you guys see there, some ground cumin, black pepper, some tamari, dulse, and I'm going to use some chili powder, part of a bell pepper, onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 serrano pepper. And I'm going to put everything into my food processor because I just want to make everything easy. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of everything that you guys see here as far as the spices, except for the pepper. The pepper, I just kind of freely put it in because I love black pepper. And then also the nutritional yeast. No, not nutritional yeast. I'm sorry. The tamari that you guys see, I use 2 tablespoons there. Nutritional yeast is coming up next. I just kind of got ahead of myself there. But yeah, and then I just process everything. And then once you're done, voila, this is what it should look like. Here's where the nutritional yeast come into play. I'm going to make the cheese sauce, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, half of a teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 full avocado and 3 tablespoons of water, and voila, you have your cheese sauce. This is the next thing that we're going to be using, some coconut wraps. I'll leave the link below for these. I got them from Thrive Market, and then also some iceberg lettuce. And then next I'm going to be showing you how to assemble everything, which is super duper easy. I'm about to taste test this in front of y'all for the first time. What I don't like is, as you guys can see, the coconut wrap fell apart already. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes though, but still, I don't want my coconut wrap falling apart. So therefore, if you make this meal, just don't let it sit. Just kind of like eat it right away. So first bite. Oh my God. Try this. I'm sorry y'all hitting my authentic. I'm trying to let the flavors marinate. This is hella good. It's hella good. That filling that I made out of the mushrooms along with everything else just tied together. I'm telling y'all. And it's super spicy how I like it. That's bomb. I did that. Pat on the back. I did that, y'all. Oh, that's good. Y'all, dinner was the bomb.com. It was hella good. Like I told y'all, it was super good. But yeah. Oh, other than dinner tonight, I had a huge banana smoothie, banana day smoothie. Y'all know I use that. I almost have a banana day smoothie every single day just to use as a source of energy for my workouts and stuff like that the following day. So that's what I had, just bananas, dates, water, and I also had a green juice because I want to make sure I'm getting my greens in and stuff like that. So I had 3 cups of spinach, some cilantro, some what else was in there? Oh, some mint, ginger, and water. Just a bunch of water, and that was good. No, it wasn't good. Look, y'all, I just met my numbers just now. 10,000 steps. It's crazy. Y'all can't really see, but I just met it, and it's 9:04 right now. But anyway, yeah, I had that. It wasn't that good, but it's healthy, okay? But I do like the taste of mint and ginger together with some cold water. It just gives it like a crisp type of taste, but whatever. That's besides the point. So yeah, I had that. And what else did I have? I think, yeah, that's all I had. How many calories I have for the day, I don't know. A lot of y'all know that I don't count calories. I still get those questions, which I don't mind getting the same question over and over, redundant questions. It doesn't matter to me at all. That's what I'm here for, to answer questions, to show you guys what I'm doing and stuff like that. So I do not mind. If you think I got the question before, still leave it in the comments below if your question wasn't answered, okay? So yeah, I had that. I don't know how many calories I had, as I just stated. I just make sure I kind of like still eyeball calories. The thing about calories, once you start counting calories and once you kind of like get into the swing of things, you will know how many calories in it, and you'll just like subconsciously always count calories. Not count them, but you'll pay attention to what you're eating. You'll look, it just become a thing, okay? It just become habit to, and it's not a bad habit if you have been overweight before. It's not a bad habit to have to look at your food and say, hey, well, this probably had that many calories. I want to make sure I'm watching what I'm eating. It's just watching what you're eating, okay? So yeah, on raw, I just make sure that I'm eating until I'm full, and then that's that. I don't really, I don't desire to overeat on raw, because the food is not all that, to be honest. It's not nothing that I would like just super overeat on. Now tonight's dinner though, that was something that I would overeat on. So I would have, if it wasn't for me recording for y'all, I probably would eat that every single day until I'm tired, like literally. So yeah, but it wasn't that high in calories that much. It's just, y'all know I like to keep my fats a little low. I don't keep them too low, but I like to keep them a little low, just in moderation. So that was kind of like a fattier type of meal with the coconut wraps and then the avocado and stuff like that. So whatever. I wanted to answer a question. Oh, real quick, a lot of people been asking me what food processor I use. It's a Black & Decker. They sell them at Walmart and stuff like that, and I really like it. And what else question that I want to answer before I go? I think that's it, y'all. I'm halfway through this challenge. The next 15 days will be here before you know it. I got in my head, first of all, I'm glad that I decided to do this, because my mouth is always watering. That's why I'm like always swallowing. Y'all probably like, why she always I just have to swallow. But anyway, this is the best thing that I could have done, because I feel more open to you guys. I feel super connected when you guys comment down below. I love to comment back. I love to read your stories. I love to read what you're going through, how your day was, and different things like that. I love to just like look at my DMs. If I have not got back to your DM, I'm sorry. I'm working on getting back to the DMs, because I get so freaking many. And thank y'all for all y'all support and love and all of that stuff. So yeah, this is one of the best things that I could have done, because I just feel super connected and open. But like I said, this is coming up towards the end of this. 15 days will be here before you know it. So y'all, I kind of got an idea what I want to do next for March. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys want to see? What's the next challenge you guys want me to do? I want to kind of keep doing challenges so I will stay connected with you guys, not just a video here, a video there in spurts. I want to keep it consistent and going and stuff like that. So what's some more things that you guys want to see? Like I said, I have my own idea, but I love to explore you guys' thoughts and find know what you guys are thinking and stuff like that. So leave them down below. Leave down below. I love to tell y'all to leave stuff down below. Leave in the comments what's the meal you guys had tonight. What did you eat tonight? And if you fast, if you intermittent fast, what's your fasting time? What's your fasting window? And what's your eating window? What do you do? 16A, 20 and 4? What do you do? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you aren't eating healthy at this point, what is stopping you? Let me know what's stopping you, because it shouldn't be nothing stopping you. It shouldn't be, okay? Now is the time to start. Well, it can be a lot stopping you, but it shouldn't be. Now is the time to start if you haven't already. So yeah, leave all of that down below. And if all else fails, leave a heart in the comments to let me know that you guys watched this all the way to the end. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram at Health with Kisha, and Kisha +4 if you can't find me on Snapchat at Health with Kisha. But oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my family vlog channel at Life with Kisha if you guys want to. If you want to see some vlogs with my family and this craziness that happened around this house and stuff like that. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. I love our connection. And I hope I wasn't talking your ear off too long, because if so, oh well. See y'all back tomorrow for another video. Always remember, we can do this. If you fall tonight, get back up tomorrow. If you fall this second, get back up the next second. It ain't never too late as long as you got breath in your lungs to breathe. Do you understand me? Love y'all. Mwah.